Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be talking about Bitcoin. Now I know right now everybody's talking about cryptocurrencies and it's in a bubble, but whatever it is, we can't deny the fact that in particular to cryptocurrencies, they are in an uptrend right now, and that's where the current money is. And for traders, we live on volatility, so when there's volatility, there's good chances to trade. Now if you can see, Bitcoin has been on a tear since the beginning of this year. The only place where it had a drawdown from 5,000 right up to 3,000 was in September, and this move here was due to China, right, saying that they may probably ban cryptocurrencies. So since then, in a month, Bitcoin just broke a new high and currently is trading at 5,619 per coin. So this is based on a chatter that China might ease up some of the regulations it placed on Bitcoins. So that caused the price to surge much further. So whatever it is, just what I'm going to do right now is to look into this particular Bitcoin in detail. Okay, so let's go to the weekly chart. Now what I can see is that I'm not buying Bitcoin at this price right now, but my long-term view is still a buy. There are two possible areas that we are looking at right now is about the 4966.19 to 4662.62. So I'm going to go down to the smaller time frames to find the exact support for us to look for possible buying areas. Okay. Now going down to the smaller time frame, that which is the daily time frame, I have marked here an area in which there is a possible buy area. If I see enough buyers coming in this area, this should be an area that we should be looking at. It's about if you look at the weekly chart, I said 4966.19, 4662.62. I've been looked into this area, zooming down, an area that we can buy is about 4641.20. so we have multiple supports in this area. Okay, so let's go one time frame much lower. So if I go one time frame much lower, the possible place for me to buy will be the 4613.70. This is a zone that I'll be looking at, okay, for Bitcoin buyers. Now there's a possibility that Bitcoin might surge higher than whatever we're seeing at this price before coming down, and that place is let me put up 6131.97. so right now I'm still waiting because price is in between. So I don't like to trade when price is in between these two places over here. It can be a bit tricky, so you have to wait a bit. So if I see a push to 6131.97 and coming down, that will be a good place for me to buy over here. So whatever it is, we have to wait. Either price go down here or straight away up here before coming down. Okay, so I'm seriously looking into Bitcoin trading right now because it has a really strong support, because as days goes by, we have multiple big economies actually slowly taking note that Bitcoin might be a legal tender in the future. Now Japan has already made Bitcoin a legal tender in the future, so this is attracting the next generation of fintech minds, you see. So I believe sooner or later we will have more and more countries actually legalizing it. Part of the growing economy, like in India, they have already put Bitcoin in mind as something that when they look into the future that they might approve. So with more and more of these countries actually using Bitcoin as a legal tender, we have to take note right now and start trading it. Okay, so I will update the moves of Bitcoin as days goes by. So we'll see. Okay, good luck and have a nice trading week.